everybody, and I'm here in the heart of Woodstock, so I'm going to show you what this neighborhood looks like.
This is Susie.
Hello!
Hello.
You obviously want to be in it.
Africa is a beautiful country, eh?
Yes, it is. Okay, alright, so I'm going to show you what Woodstock looks like, and then I'm also going to do a walk through Observatory, which will be in another video. I'm here outside the old biscuit mill, and I just did a walkthrough video of that, so watch channel and check it out for a very explosive dining experience. Alright, well everybody, let's go and see what Woodstock looks like. Let's go! Where Victoria Street is. I think it's that one there. That's Tracker. Not so sure where I am at the moment. Maybe I'm going in the wrong direction. Hang on a second. Let's see. Let me check Google Maps quickly to see where I'm at. Let's see. I'm looking for Victoria Street. Okay, so I turned out to be in exactly the right spot, but when I went onto Google Maps, it showed the beginning of Victoria Road, which is a very long road, and that's why I got all confused. But it seems that I'm like a block away. So it's just up this road here, and then it's like in the midst of Woodstock. Now Woodstock is one of the oldest neighborhoods in Cape Town, so you will get all these old style buildings. Oh wait, I know exactly where I am right now. Okay, now this is Kind bus stop. Okay. Quite a rough patch of Cape Town, but a lot of culture, and it's a special place. And today is Sunday, so everything's closed. Man, but it's busy during the week. You can barely walk on the sidewalks here. we go, Victoria Road. So this is sort of like the main road of Woodstock. And it's chaos during the week. Like, you cannot walk on these sidewalks. That's why I don't want to record during the week. I decided to come in today. There's a lot of student accommodation buildings in this part of town because it's inexpensive to live here.
Why did you do session?
Huh? Why did you do session? No, I did session. When you finish.
And here we've now, I think, sort of moved into observatory territory. The neighborhoods are very close together. We call it OBS, it's short for observatory. Oh yeah, check. Wow. This is the borderline right here. Yeah. Okay. So that's Woodstock. Okay, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the walk with me through Woodstock in Cape Town. It's a very large area, so it will take hours to go through all of it. So that's basically just showing you a glimpse of it, but definitely worth the visit. They do have guided tours. If you don't want to venture into these areas alone, you know, you can book like a guided tour to make sure that you are safe. They have a lot of art and old buildings here, and it's really very interesting. Okay, all right, well, Thank you again for subscribing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and leave those comments. All right, until next time. Bye.